Hello everybody, it's me, Alexander Turnbull from René and Aderans. So today I've got something quite exciting I want to share with you. I'm going to do a very simple up style bun with a bun ring, and I'm going to use Kayla from the Amore Collection in the colour Ice Blond. Ice Blond is an amazing colour. I really love that. If you can see, it's like got these gorgeous kind of blonde highlights running through. It's got this beautiful curl pattern, and you see the ends here, the ends are like stunning. Just got those like kind of flecks of blonde, like they've been caught by the sun, and it's an icy kind of, an ashy kind of caramelly colour. I really love this. I'm gonna do a little bun, easy to achieve at home everybody. And I have my bamboo tail comb, and I've just stolen this from my daughter's bedroom. It's just a little stretchy hair tie. Just with the tail of the comb, just going to draw a line. Okay, so I'm just drawing a line. Drawing a line. Then comb and scoop. So I'm kind of combing and scooping. You know, a big question that I've had from, you know, many clients is, you know, can they wear a bun when wearing a wig, you know, and like, it's like the big question about ponytails. Can you wear a ponytail with a wig? Of course you can. You know, there's just ways of doing it. So I hope that this gives you a little bit of confidence in working with your wigs. So what I'm doing here, look, I'm just using the tail of the comb, just moving that over, and I then kind of brush it over my hand so I get that shape of the bun. The tail of the comb is such a good technique, you know, because you just literally, you're not having to really be that rough with it. You're just pushing that in. When I'm happy with that, remember, this is nice, simple, easy home hairdressing. Wrap that hair tie over one more time. Then just with my wire brush, I'm just going to brush the hair up. And then I have one of these little bun ring. I'm just going to put on my wrist, and then I'm going to hold the hair in this hand like so, and then just roll that off my wrist and straight the way down into the base. I prepped ahead of time, so I've got another bun ring with a load of grips in it, and then I just grip into the base. There we go. So then we've got the bun nicely secured. So what we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen, is we're looking for this sitting over the bun like so. So I'm just gently brushing that over. That's starting to look like so on top. I've got a scrunchie ahead of time, and this one has like ribbon on it. Now you could tie your own ribbon onto the hair, or you could just wrap a simple scrunchie round, but I'm gonna pop this over the top. I'm gonna pop that over. The tail of the comb is just make our bun a little bit more chunky. So I'm taking the tail of the comb, I'm just lifting this out, lift, and then just with the tail of the comb, I'm going to go around the head, just tucking the hair underneath, just take a firm piece. I'm going to just tie a bow, and now for the rest of the hair, because Kayla has this beautiful lace front and all those stunning highlights towards the front, I want to show that off. So I'm using another one of my René of Paris combs. Now this is nice because the teeth are really wide, so it gives us that little bit of texture. And then I'm just gonna put a twist in here, and then when I do a twist in here, look, it gives me this kind of quiff effect. So just take a little bit comb this through like so. And remember what I said, a bit of a twist and then back, and you can create a bit of a quiff or this way. But ideally I want to see all these lovely highlights. So I'm just gonna pop this underneath here like so, and then let the bow come over the top. These ones are great as well, just to pop these in, just with the tail of the comb, just loosen that through so it's not so tight, so it keeps that nice fashion forward, effortless, very, very pretty texture. And now I'm going to take a section like so. Okay, so for the ladies out there that have been worried about, you know, scooping your hair up, you can do it, but just, you know, leave a bit of something. So what I do is move that over and then just leave a nice little area towards the nape. So let that, you know, sit in very, very soft. I'm just going to put a grip in there for now. I kind of then wrap this piece of hair over in here. Now that then can kind of go into there, or you can, you know, do something a little bit pretty here, or you can even tie these together here and have, like, you know, a little bit of detail like that. So I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to cross the pieces of hair over, so we've got those two pretty little pieces of detail. You could get rid of that and put it into the bun, but for now I'm just going to cross the pieces against each other, pop a little pin in there. So then we've just got these two sides to gather up. So let me just pop that in. The final bit of hair is just going to come in. Here we are. Beautiful. Pop this in here. This is Kayla, and she has the little bow on there, which looks really pretty. And I just showed you a little style which is really easy to do at home. From me, Kayla, in Ice Blond. That was a really nice little quick home bun up style, and I love this. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching me. I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube. Please watch us on all social media, and if there's anything that we haven't covered that you want to see, or any kind of styling you want to see, please let us know. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye now. Bye bye.